to my channel. So today I am sharing with you some of my travel essentials. I travel a lot usually, but with the quarantine and the stay-at-home orders, I'm not traveling that much this summer, which is a real bummer. But I am going away for 1 week on a big family vacation that we always do every year, which is exciting. But I thought I would share with you some of my travel essentials because I feel like I have everything down to a science now. I've traveled so much, and I think that my packing style is really helpful and just can inspire you to pack a little better, because I used to be the queen of overpacking, and now I make sure that I am not. I pack just what I need, and usually it'll get me through the whole week or wherever I'm staying. So without further ado, let's get into the video. My first travel hack is to bring headphones wherever you go, whether it's a car ride, a bus ride, a train, a plane, whatever it is, bring headphones. I use the AirPods, but I know a lot of people like Beats. There's some other ones, I think they're called Raycons, that just go right in your ear, but I think having headphones is so important when you travel because you can do like literally anything. You can listen to music, listen to a podcast. Sometimes it can just cancel the noise out around you, and it's really helpful while you're traveling to your destination, and even at your destination. If you're laying at the beach, it's important to have your headphones with you. So I think having headphones is so important. And yeah, So my next travel hack is to have all of your little travel size containers in one place and either have them already packed, already ready to go. I have this little container, it has like a little toner bottle. I have a little moisturizer, like all of my skincare, all my little travel essentials are pretty much already packed and ready to go. I mean, not with the idea that I'm gonna have to like up and leave really soon, but with the idea that it's all in one place. I don't have to search for it. I don't have to go out and purchase new stuff. Like, it's already there. I can just take it and put it right into my toiletry bag. And I find that that's so helpful to do because you're not running around before vacation. You pretty much have all of your own stuff. That leads me into my next tip, is to bring your own products. I know hotel products, they say shampoo, conditioner, body wash, but sometimes it's just more comfortable to have your own products and to bring them from your home, reminds you of your house, or it just helps your hair look a certain way. I know on planes and stuff it has to be a certain size, but you really should make sure that you can get things, bring the things from home that'll remind you of your house, but also be products that you would know and love. So I highly recommend bringing your own products, and again, just have them in the little travel size containers in your whatever bin or bag that you're going to keep them in, so that they're ready to go whenever you travel. So my next tip is to invest in packing cubes. I used them for the first time 2 summers ago when I went to my cousin's wedding and I was gone for 2 weeks, and those packing cubes seriously helped me, A, to bring enough clothes for 2 weeks, and B, keep everything organized enough. I can't tell you how many times I've just taken stuff and thrown it into bags and called it a day. It's not good to do that, because then when you get to wherever you're going, you're just picking through bags, especially if you're on like a weekend trip and you're just like, you're not gonna unpack fully, you're just going through it and pulling stuff out, and now you have a huge mess. So packing cubes are really great. You can get them on Amazon. I have ones from Amazon, and basically they're just like little containers that you can put your clothes in. You can put jeans in one of them, you can put bathing suits in another. I think they come in various size packs, like 6 or 8, so depending on socks and underwear, like that kind of stuff can go in one. But they seriously make packing so much easier and makes you so much more organized as a person. It's really important to be organized when you travel, so that A, like I said, you're not digging through things, and B, you know what you brought so you don't leave anything behind. I can't tell you how many times I'm missing a shirt or something just because I've been such a messy person, that it's so important to make sure that you have everything in packing cubes so you're nice and organized. So my next travel essential is to either wear your jacket as you're traveling to your destination, or just have it with you. I know the jackets, sometimes people are like, oh, I don't need it, I'm going someplace warm, but in reality, it's actually so important to have one, because you never know when you'll have a chilly night, or it might just be cold because of rain or something. I used to not bring a jacket at all because I thought it was going to take way too much room in my suitcase or my bag, but now I make sure that I always have a jacket with me, so that I never am cold. I get cold really easily, but I like to make sure that like if I'm traveling by car, I just throw it in the car with me so it's not taking up a room. Or if I'm going on plane, sometimes I'll put it on already just so that I don't get cold on the plane. So always have your jacket with you, and sometimes if you need to save space, don't put it in your suitcase or your bag. So my next tip is to always have sneakers with you. This one's kind of odd, but sometimes people are like, oh, like I'm going to the beach, I don't need sneakers. But what if you're going on like go-kart rides or you're doing something and they actually require sneakers? You're out of luck. I always make sure I bring a pair of sneakers, whether it's just like a little pair of like running sneakers or maybe it's my Nike Air Force Ones. I just try and find one that kind of will go with everything that I have with me. So generally it's my Air Force Ones or my Adidas NMDs that I bring with me. And they go with literally everything, but it's so nice to have them because you just never know when you're going to want to put a sneaker on, or if you're like going to like an amusement park or something. Sometimes having flip-flops I don't think you can wear on all of the rides because they'd fly off. So it's always really great to have sneakers with you, and I think making sure you pack a pair and making it a priority is definitely something you should start doing. So my final tip is to really invest in your luggage. I recently purchased before quarantine, so like last summer, I had purchased a suitcase kit. It came with 3 pieces, a giant one, a middle one, and then a carry-on, and I absolutely love it. They came with locks and stuff like that. Everything was really great, and I highly suggest you invest in one because of the fact that it's holding all of your personal items and your valuables and things that it's basically like your little home on wheels when you travel, especially if you're in a foreign country or someplace you've never been. Everything that's important to you is generally in that suitcase, so why would you put one or use one that's not the greatest? I know for like weekend trips and stuff, I have like a big Vera Bradley weekender bag that's perfect for me. It's giant, but I can fit everything in it, and that's awesome. It works well. But I know for my longer trips, I definitely like to have a suitcase just because A, you can use the packing cubes and just lay everything out so it's like organized, and B, you can see everything because I'm telling you, I used to just shove it all in there and hope for the best and pray for the best. And when I would go to like pack to leave, I would have like no room because I'd just be shoving it all in and I couldn't zip it back up. So it's definitely something important that you start looking into, especially if you do a lot of traveling. If you're just like a once in a while traveler, it's fine. But I know for myself, it was really important that I invested in some really great luggage so that I just know I have it for a while, and no matter where I'm gonna go, it's gonna be really great for me. Also, another tip I have, I just thought of that, I have one of the luggage kits that you can, the wheels are like 360 wheels. I don't know if that's gonna make sense, but you can drag it this way and you can drag it that way. It's not one that the wheels only go like one way, so like you would tilt it and then pull it behind you. Like mine, I can have it walk next to me, I can pull it behind me, it can spin around, and I think those ones are so important and so helpful because if you're walking through an airport or if you're walking through a town or wherever you are, having a luggage that is as flexible as you are is so important. And that was something that I really wanted to have in my new luggage kit, and it's definitely made such a difference in all of my travels. So I hope you guys enjoyed my simple little travel essentials video. Be sure to check out the blog post that's a little bit more in depth than the video down below. And if you have any questions or want to recommend any more videos from me, be sure to comment them below. Hit the red subscribe button and hit the bell so you never miss a video with me. And I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I will see you all so soon. Bye!